In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify manually. We're going to walk through linking a domain you already own on GoDaddy to your Shopify store step by step. This is a manual setup, which gives you full control over your DNS records. Before we begin, make sure you can log in to both your GoDaddy account and your Shopify admin. First, open GoDaddy and head to your domain's DNS management area. This is sometimes called DNS, DNS zone, or DNS records. You'll see a list of records like A, CNAME, MX, and more. Don't worry, we're only touching the A record for the root domain and the CNAME for the www.subdomain. If you have email set up, avoid changing MX records. It's also a good idea to take a quick screenshot of your current DNS page so you can reference it later if needed. Now switch to Shopify. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then open the Domain section. Choose the option to connect an existing domain. Type in your GoDaddy domain exactly as you want customers to use it, for example, yourdomain.com. Continue, and keep this window handy. We'll come back to verify the connection shortly. Return to GoDaddy's DNS Management. Create or edit the A record for the root of your domain, which is usually shown as the host at. Point this A record to Shopify's IP address. If there's already an A record for at pointing somewhere else, replace its value with Shopify's IP so you don't have conflicting entries. You can leave the TTL at its default unless you have a reason to change it. Save the A record. Next, add a CNAME record for the www version of your domain. Set the host to www and point it to Shopify's canonical hostname, which is typically shops.myshopify.com. Again, leave the TTL at the default and save. With these two records in place, both yourdomain.com and www.yourdomain.com will route correctly to your Shopify store. Head back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Shopify will check the DNS records you just updated. If everything is entered correctly, the connection should verify. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours. If verification doesn't pass right away, wait a bit and try again. Clearing your browser cache or checking from a private window can also help you see the latest status. Once verified, you're all set. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to Shopify, and your store will be accessible at your custom URL.